polywa first. Okay, we do a polywa to the side first. 1, circle from 2, 3, and 4. Polywa to the side, other side, 5, circle from 6, up, 7, and 8. We do definitely to the side, 1 and 2, 3, and 4. Definitely to the side, just face front, make it easy. 5 and 6, 7, and 8. Definitely front, 1, really clear, 2. Picky passing on 3, given a moment on 4. Definitely to the side, 5 and 6. Picky passing on 7, front face on 8. One more, 1 and 2. Picky passing both arm, and we go front. Okay? And then we do 1 attitude turn, a long way, party way, su su. Finish that. Face arm open. Polywa side. Circle front. And up. Left side arm. Polywa front. En face passing. Développé. Breathe arm. Chin up. Other side. Breathe arm. And down. Passing. Clear. Rhythm. And down. Passing. Look away. Rhythm. From the face. Same like passing. Arms. Both arms up. Forwards. Hold stay. Attitude turn. A long leg. Party break. Su su. Finish it out.